Yeah, hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do some dumb stuff as usual, but today we're going to take the Raptor for a little spin because I have to drive to Innsbruck where my university is. I have a little appointment at my university, and afterwards I think we'll be able to find some snow higher up in the mountains and maybe we can slide around the Raptor a little bit because I haven't really done a video on the Raptor in a very long time. As you can see, they are normal mud tires and they are actually not very good for snow use, but I guess it will work anyway. It won't be very fast compared to the Evo, but the Raptor is my only car that's basically a little bit normal to drive that I can take to university, because if I would show up in the Evo or in any other car, they would probably think I'm stupid, which I am a little bit, but I don't want everybody to know. Let's go and do my university stuff and then we do some YouTube stuff. Yeah, so it's now a few hours later and I got done with all the stuff I had to do and now it's time for fun, I guess. It snowed a little bit here, which is perfect. I haven't driven the Raptor for a very long time in snow, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So yeah, let's see how it handles. As I already said, I have pretty bad tires on, so I have to be a bit careful. But other than that, oh yeah, also the tires scrape a little bit in the front, so maybe sometimes you will hear weird noises. Yeah, so far it's pretty nice. You can shift from two-wheel drive to all-wheel drive, which is very nice. Right now it's not too much snow, I'm still in rear-wheel drive, but I think we're going to change that later. It looks so cool when it snows here. The only problem when you have it in rear-wheel drive is that the differential doesn't lock. It would be a bit cooler if the differential would lock, but it is what it is. As you can see, you have literally no traction with rear-wheel drive. I guess that's what it would be like with the M3 as well. Honestly, I wanted to do a different video today. My GTR was supposed to be finished this week, but as you can see, it isn't. But maybe next week. Who knows? I think it's time to shift to four-wheel drive now. Then you have to wait a little bit.
Oops. Safety first.
Into some really deep snow. I think it's going to be hard to find. It's actually one of the first days where it's proper snow since a very long time. Kind of wish I would have brought the Evo, but we already talked about that. Enjoy me sliding the Raptor. actually works a bit better than expected with this tire. We're still looking for some pretty deep snow, but we can't really find any, and we don't have any rescue cars today. Yeah, let's go explore some more roads, and then maybe afterwards Celine whips the Raptor around, tries not to kill me. Very good, very nice.
Babe. Ich mag da echt nicht aufschlagen. Du bist so dumm. Lass mich aussteigen, bitte. No way.
It's pure ice. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea to go deep snow off-roading today when we're on our own. At least the only truck here. When we get stuck on shit like this. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, I think today it's better if we stick to the road a little bit. So slippery. I nearly fell on my face like 3 times already here. Einfach da hin, fahren und einfach mal einlenken. Mehr Gas. Und schau, dass der da oben bleibt, nicht in der Nähe vom Bus. Okay, now it's reverse rolled. Just stuck. Nice. Where are you from? You need help? Okay, I come back. I turn around.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bruder, do you help me?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
fast. Thank you.
Yeah, so I wanted to go slide a few corners, but now when we were scouting the route, we found out that somebody is stuck up here, and I hope that I have a rope with me, then I can help him. I just need to turn around. Bro, I'm stuck as well now. Whew, okay, I don't know if I can help this guy because it's really slippery here. We're never gonna make it. Fast.
Bruder,
You
warte. Da muss da ist
Okay.
20 Kilo. Nein, Bruder.
Nein,
Danke,
alles gut,
danke,
alles
danke.
You good here now?
Ja, gut.
Good? Okay, yeah, we at least managed to pull him out of the ditch. I think the best idea is if he just drives down now. It's so slippery here, it's very sketchy even with the Raptor. Hey, there they go. Have a safe trip, guys. Have fun. Don't drive up here again. So we just finished lunch. Yeah, it started snowing again, so we might go send it again a little bit. Yeah, pretty eventful day already. Celine nearly died. Celine learned how to drift. I pulled somebody out of the ditch, and I also nearly had to get pulled out of the ditch. So perfect day once again. Yeah, so we're done for now. Here's a little edit for you.
Just try to be human, I got it. I just try to feel I'm upside. I'm just trying to be that inside. Try to get tight. I'm a same with it. Try to be, try to fuck it up when I'm trying to be. I just try to make with it. Try to be, try to fuck it up when I'm trying to see. Get it up when I'm fucking need. I just try to make with it. Try to be, try to know what I'm take. Get in my body. I'm trying to get it in my own side. I just try to be when I cut it. Try to maintain it inside. Just try to be human, I got it. Try to fuck it up when I'm trying to see. Get it up when I fucking need. I just try to make what I try to be. Try to know what I'm gonna take.
See you guys in the next video. Yeah.
Try to be, try to fuck it up when I'm trying to be. I just try to make what I try to be.